Hey everybody, my name is Brian and today we are going to review the new OS mechanical pencil. It's a very nice pencil. It's all made of aluminum and it's a 5.8 millimeters of graphite. I mean 5.6. Here we can see the specifications. It's made in Argentina. Here is Mazza Diseño. This is the 5.8 version. It's graphite 5.6. The weight of the pencil is 75 grams. Aluminum matte polish is the finish, dimensions, and it's a gravity foaming graphite. It's great for sketching, and it's a very nice pencil. Here we are going to open it. This is the aluminum case. It comes in a very nice case. It's this one. You can see it's very well finished, and now what we're going to do is open it. It's called a falling gravity graphite. You're going to see why. When you open it, the graphite comes out like automatically. The pencil, and this one is the pencil. It's a very nice pencil. Lots of details, and that's the graphite. It's very great for sketching. Right now I'm using my other hand, my left hand. I'm writing, but it's a great pencil. Also, at the back part here, you can get this out and you will get the rubber. Okay, I hope you like it. So if you like, you can see other tutorials or other unboxing or reviews. And goes back again.